Hello everybody, today we're gonna make super easy fried rice. Let's start with cutting onions.
Whoa! I'm sorry, I forgot. I meant to cut my tomatoes, but instead I was cleaning them. Okay, let's cut. You don't have to slice it that thin. Well, I'm just gonna do a little bit thick, not that thin. Now we're cutting bacon and spring onions. Let's start. But just make sure you don't cut your fingers. If you want to do it fast. Oh, okay, now we're doing like a scrambled egg, beating it. Okay, right now we're going to cook it now. So, firstly, 1 teaspoon of oil. We left it for a while, so we should put it in now. There we go. Stop. It's too boring. Okay, it's starting to cook. I need to do this like scrambled eggs. Our previous video, I had to do scrambled eggs. Again, 1 tablespoon of oil. Do the same thing. Put the onions now. So I'm gonna wait because this takes a long time. Put the onions aside because it's ready. Smells very good. Like hot dogs and onions. Now we put bacon. Put it in like that. And it smells very good. When it turns brown like this one, it will be ready. It's all of them. This one. And the oil, like usual, 1/2 teaspoon. Pour it in. Then, like a painting. Make a circle. Now let's put it in. Rice. Oh, this is so big. Okay. Okay, now let's put the lid on for 1 minute. 1 minute is up. Now, to the side. Now, put salt. Mix it around. Okay, let's put the second one now. Grab pepper. Soy sauce. Oh! Sesame oil. Put it in. Oh god, these are not ready yet. Put tomato, spring onion in. Tomatoes, eggs, bacon, spring onions. Smells good. I just want to have a little taste. How about you? Have a taste. Fine. Oh! There you go. I can taste the salt, rice, eggs. I can taste. I can't taste spring onion. I can taste tomato still. And then I feel like it's not that hard, not that easy, like medium. And I hope you enjoy making this. Bye. Yum.